So what's your name?
Chidera Maduabuchi.
What class are you?
JSS
How old are you?
15.
So you constructed this. What is this?
Excavator.
Excavator. You made it yourself. Okay, let's see how it works. What is that oil? Condemn oil. Wow. Wow. That's condemn oil. So you use the condemn oil to. Wow. Nigerians are talented. This an excavator made by a 15-year-old student in JS3. It uses condemn oil to accelerate this machine. Wow. 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 Wonderful. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Wow. Wow. This is good. Okay. 15-year-old boy constructed an excavator using condemn oil to operate it. Nigerians are indeed talented. I was passing by when I saw this young, talented project done by this young man. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's good. Thank you very much.